I've been using Veculim for the past 2 years simply because it helps simplify what I do.
I love using it because I'm not computer literate, and for me it's a click of a button and it works.
I can literally just open up my desktop, look at my dashboard, and it gives me exactly what I need to know.
The industry struggles with some of the systems that are out there in place at the moment. So I think Veculim has come in at the right time.
You don't have to type out an invoice to send to an insurance. It's just click, send, done.
So that makes our life much easier.
I'm literally able to manage my entire workshop from Veculim.
Implementation is fantastic. I wake up one morning with a brilliant idea. I bounce it off the guys. They came and we brainstormed and we implemented within 2-3 days.
They're very quick to answer and help you out and guide you in the right direction. So anybody and everybody, it's the best program to use.
Fantastic.
I give them a 10 out of 10.